Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 mic not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access for this device. Also turn on Allow apps to access your microphone. Select which apps can access your microphone. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound. Click Recording tab. Select Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. Select your microphone device, click Set Default, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.